This is Otis. Impound number A3393345. Otis is a German Shepherd mixed with some other form of dog. Who knows? He's approximately 6 years old. We don't know much about him because he's a transfer here to the Agora shelter from one of the other shelters in the county system. What we've noticed in the 3 weeks or so that we've had Otis is that he is besides being a super friendly, very capable, very smart dog, he is such a quick learner. He was a little shy of the leash when he came in, and he's completely over that now, and he just seems to be a sweetheart of a guy. You would be making a terrific addition to your family if you were so lucky as to pick up Mr. Otis here for the holidays. He's available right now for adoption at the Agora shelter, and he would love to go home on this rainy weekend. Come on down and meet Otis.